Good morning, my name is Marie and you're watching my YouTube channel Marilet's World. I'm here at Family Dollar for their Saturdays $5 off a $25 purchase coupon. I'll be using all digital coupons on this transaction. It's a good time to get some laundry detergent. Colgate toothpaste $2 each using a $5 off a 3 digital coupon. Tide laundry detergent $4.95, there's a $2 digital coupon. Tide Pods $4.95, there's also a $2 digital coupon. Airwick Twin Refills $5, there's a $1.50 digital coupon. Febreze Car Air Freshener $5, there's a $2 digital coupon. Big Razors $1.80, there's a $2 digital coupon. Big Silky Touch Razor $3.35, there's a $2 digital coupon. Simply Venus Razor $5 each, there's a $5 digital coupon on two. Arm & Hammer Oxy, they're $9 on this store, there's 75 loads. There's a $1 digital coupon. This is my first transaction: Tide, Colgate, Big Razors, Febreze, and Airwick Air Freshener. This is my receipt and all the digital coupons that attach. There's also the $5 of a $25 purchase coupon. I paid $10.72 including tax. I saved $19.25. On average, they're $1.34 each. This is my second transaction or another scenario on my second account. Arm & Hammer liquid detergent, Venus Razors, Big Razors, and Colgate toothpaste. This Arm & Hammer liquid detergent is on sale for $8. It was not tagged at the store. This is my receipt and all the digital coupons that attach, plus the $5 off $25 purchase. I paid $11.50 including tax. I saved $18 on this transaction, making the cost an average of $1.65 each. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Click the thumbs up button and got some ideas on how to save money at Family Dollar. Please remember to subscribe to my channel Marilet's World and check out my playlist for uploads on couponing, DIY, restoration, tutorials, and food related videos. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.